around 75 to 80% of the salary was going for the EMI.
What is the biggest result that you think you have achieved so far?
A 25% reduction in the EMI burden, which was actually very huge. Emotionally, it brought a lot of peace and clarity. And the best part is, it didn't take much time. If I had not taken this step, then definitely I would have been still stuck in the same cycle of getting the salary, paying EMIs. There was no clear structure and unsure about taking help or taking extra loans. I would say for those who are feeling stuck in EMIs, don't wait for things to get worse, because it is a very simple guided step, but it can change a lot more than you expect.
Welcome everybody to yet another success interview. I have today my community member Justin with me. He'll be sharing his story, how his life was before and how it is right now. So, welcome Justin to this call.
Yes, thank you. Yeah.
सो आज का जो हमारा इंटरव्यू रहने वाला है जस्टिन के साथ वो इंग्लिश में रहेगा, बट आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि हम उसको सबटाइटल्स हिंदी में डाल पाएं सो दैट एवरीबडी कैन रीड इट, बिकॉज ज्यादातर हमारे जो व्यूअर्स हैं वो हिंदी में है. सो आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट, ऑल्दो वी कैन नॉट बी वेरी कंफर्म डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टीम जो हम जिनके साथ काम करते हैं. राइट, थैंक यू.
Yeah,
लेट्स स्टार्ट
sure.
जस्टिन. सो जस्टिन अपने बारे में थोड़ा बताइए, लाइक वेयर आर यू फ्रॉम एंड क्या करते हो आप?
Yeah, so I was born and brought up in Bangalore. I come from a middle class family and work as a medical professional. Like many, they had also multiple monthly financial responsibilities. So I'm also part of it, and I was looking forward to something like this. Yeah.
Okay. So, as you were saying that already your life might be going on with some issues right now, and so what was one moment in life where you feel like, no, I need to work on this, I need to resolve this issue because now it is going much more than what I thought about it?
Yeah, as like we grow, we get married, children are there. There's a lot of household expenses, then family commitments, and then on top of that, the EMIs were also increasing to a place where it was eating away a significant portion of my income. So that's where a point where I felt like stuck, and every month like a cycle of earning, and then most of it in the first few days will be goes to paying EMI, and very little was left. Yeah.
And how you used to feel at those moments? कैसा लगता था आपको उस समय पे?
Yeah, so it honestly felt like very overwhelming and limiting, because each time you want to do a payment or you're thinking about any expense, we always think about that there's an EMI that is pending or EMI to be paid, and it was stressful and not seeing progress even despite working hard. Yeah, so that was the facts that I was going through.
And कितना percentage आपकी salary का EMIs में जाता था before you become part of the community?
Yeah, about around 75 to 80% of the salary was going for the EMI, and that was so nothing much was left after that. Yeah.
So everybody who's watching this, you can understand कि 75 to 80% अगर आपके salary का EMIs में जाता है, then आपके पास बाकी खर्चे भी रहेंगे, आपकी family के monthly expenses भी हैं. So it will be difficult, and I can truly understand. But आज का जो episode है जिसमें आप सुनोगे जस्टिन के बारे में, you will understand कि सारी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन है. ओनली थिंग इज हमें राइट डायरेक्शन पकड़ना पड़ेगा, राइट लोगों के बीच में रहना पड़ेगा, सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो सकती है. तो जस्टिन विल बी शेयरिंग हिज मोर डिटेल्स. सो जस्टिन, बिफोर ज्वाइनिंग आपको बहुत सारे डाउट्स, फियर्स रहे होंगे, बिकॉज आपने कुछ इसके पहले भी ट्राई किया होगा. डिड यू ट्राई समथिंग?
Yes. Yeah, so, definitely. Like most of us would try. Whether I had tried various courses, and whether it will be working out for me, and I'd explored some financial tips and tools before. But what was missing, I think, was a clear, simple, structured approach.
एंड क्या फियर्स या डाउट्स रहे होंगे, बिकॉज आपने बहुत सारी चीजें देखी हैं. आज के वर्ल्ड में स्कैम्स बहुत होते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें हो रही हैं, तो देयर माइट भी बहुत सारे डाउट्स आपके दिमाग में भी, फियर्स रहे होंगे कि पता नहीं जा रहा हूँ, अच्छा होगा नहीं होगा. सो हाउ डिड यू सॉल्व दिस?
Correct. So whenever
कैसे रिजॉल्व
you
किया आपने वो डाउट्स को?
look for those courses, they initially say pay up first, and then we'll guide you. And I've also paid up, and sometimes also felt like being scammed or lost my money also. So there's always that initial inertia or the doubt whether this also will be one of that. So when I went through those like testimonials, it was helpful to understand the real life stories that it is practical and it is also doable.
तो बेसिकली आपने जब और लोगों की स्टोरी सुनी तब आपको रिलेटेबल लगा कि हाँ अगर इन लोगों के लिए हुआ है तो शायद मेरे लिए भी हो पाएगा.
Definitely. Because the result is what speaks, right?
एंड कहीं ना कहीं वो डाउट्स फियर्स शायद तब भी रहे होंगे बट आपको लगा कि वो रिजल्ट ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है एज कम्पेयर्ड कि आई विल बी इन फियर ओनली, राइट?
Yeah. So the making that bold step, like even I checked in the Trustpilot, better to go through reviews because already you have burnt your fingers. So it was all good reviews. That's why thought of taking that bold step.
Okay. So now I would like to ask you, like, what is the biggest result that you think you have achieved so far, financially, emotionally, जो भी आप share करना चाहो?
Yeah, I think the biggest result was a 25% reduction in the EMI burden, which was actually very huge. It gave financially a breathing space. Emotionally, it brought a lot of peace and clarity. And the best part is it didn't take much time. That is one thing. I was able to follow the process with minimal time investment each week. In fact, the first call itself, Rohit sir gave that clear direction, what is to be done. We went through it, and it was just a 20 to 30-minute call. But there was action steps that needed to be proceeded, and within 2 to 3 weeks, the things were in line, made in structure, so that things were sorted out. Yeah.
25% is a big difference, right? From 80% going towards EMI, and अभी 25% reduce हो गया है. So what do you see? क्या difference आप देख पाते हो अपनी family में, अपने खुद में, like जो भी आप अभी जो भी चीजें करते हो, कोई भी चीज खरीदने के पहले या मे बी आप फैमिली एनवायरनमेंट में कुछ डिफरेंसेस देख पाते हो आज?
Yeah, definitely it feels like more peaceful and confident. When I think about money now, it's no longer something that I want to avoid or be stressful about. And also there's a sense of direction instead of uncertainty. Even the EMI saved now is being directed to a place where we can invest it so that it will become a long-term corpus. So turning from a place where that was going for a EMI, now we are positively impacted even in our home. There's less stress around our finances and overall relationships and mindset. Yeah.
So everybody who is watching this, हम लोग सिर्फ EMI पे काम नहीं करते हैं. जो EMI से पैसे बचते हैं वो सारे आपके इन्वेस्टमेंट में जाते हैं. जो भी आपके पहले इन्वेस्टमेंट थे हम उसको भी चेक करते हैं, उसमें क्या गलतियां हैं उसको रेक्टिफाई करते हैं, एंड देन वो इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आपके फ्यूचर फाइनेंशियल गोल्स के टुवर्ड जाते हैं. तो कई बार लोगों को लगता है कि सिर्फ EMI में काम करेंगे, नहीं, वी वर्क ऑन कंप्लीट फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग. सो दैट इज So EMI is the major thing that is stopping money, so that is the reason हम लोग ने ये सोचा कि पहले EMI को resolve करते हैं so that we can work on the other parts. So एक क्वेश्चन जो शायद आप नहीं सुनना चाहते होगे या नहीं सोचना चाहते होगे मे बी, बट स्टिल आई वुड लव टू आस्क यू सो दैट जो लोग आज इस सिचुएशन में हो मे बी दे कैन रिलेट टू इट, दे कैन अंडरस्टैंड इट, इज कि अगर आपने ये स्टेप नहीं लिया होता तो आने वाले टाइम में, अगले 5 साल में, 10 साल में आप क्या लाइफ देखते थे? मे बी नॉट इवन 5-10 साल, अगले साल आप क्या देखते थे अपनी लाइफ में?
Yeah, honestly, if I had not taken this step, then definitely I would have been still stuck in the same cycle of getting the salary, paying EMIs, and then nothing much for the thing, and hoping things would improve on their own. So there was no clear structure, and unsure about taking help or taking extra loans to pay off for the maybe any monthly expenses that come up. So I would say for those who are feeling stuck in EMIs, don't wait for things to get worse, because it is a very simple guided step, but it can change a lot more than you expect, and bring structure even in your investments, even in your mindset itself. And the early morning, also the workshops that we have, it's very useful for us to build our positive mindset and positive affirmations.
Yeah. So morning call, everybody, we do that so that आप एक पॉजिटिविटी के साथ अपना दिन की शुरुआत करो, बिकॉज जब लोगों की लाइफ में एक EMI इश्यूज होते हैं या फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज होते हैं तो हमारे बनी एनर्जी जो है वो बहुत नेगेटिव हो जाती है, एंड वी स्टार्ट फीलिंग कि हमारी लाइफ कभी सही नहीं होगी, हमारी लाइफ हमेशा वैसी रहेगी. तो मॉर्निंग कॉल इज बेसिकली फॉर दैट. सो आई थिंक उससे काफ़ी आपको माइंडसेट लेवल पे भी डिफरेंस दिख रहा होगा. I've seen you
Yes.
sharing a lot of things. आपने शायद books भी पढ़ना start किया.
Hmm.
I've seen
Yes,
you
yes.
sharing that as well. So that was great.
Yeah.
And सो यू आर शेयरिंग बट एक क्वेश्चन हमेशा बहुत सारे लोगों के दिमाग में रहता है कि मैं बहुत सालों से स्टक हूँ इस प्रॉब्लम में, मे बी कुछ लोग सालों से, कुछ 1 साल से, कुछ 2 साल से, शायद कोई 4-5 साल से, मे बी 10-15 साल से स्टक होंगे लोग. तो
Hmm.
एक क्वेश्चन उनके दिमाग में रहता है, ये सब चीज़ों को सही करने में बहुत टाइम लगेगा, मेरे मेरे पास टाइम नहीं रहता है, या टाइम लगेगा तो मैं तब तक ईएमआई कैसे बियर करूंगा, एक्स वाई जेड बहुत डाउट्स रहते हैं. तो आई थिंक आपके पास भी एक क्वेश्चन आया होगा, आपके दिमाग में भी आया होगा, तो आपने उसको कैसे सॉल्व किया, या आपको क्या लगता है कितना टाइम लगा इन सब चीज़ों में?
Yeah, actually, one thing I found out was like if we have any problem, better to not keep it with ourselves. Like, for example, if we have some health issue, we consult the doctor. So
Hmm.
one knows how to treat it. And so I think it's a very advisable situation to understand that we are in a problem and we need help. And that will help us to like find, it doesn't take much time actually. For my thing, maybe I would have just taken 2 or 3 weeks to go through the steps that were suggested and to make those right amendments so that one is the EMI is sorted out, then how the restructuring of our various investments. So it doesn't take much time and hardly, I think there is only one Zoom call and there are 2 phone calls. That's what that was made. And when I just followed the steps that were suggested, it made things right for me. And it doesn't take much time. Just that the step that we need to boldly take, and that will definitely produce results. Simple and consistent. Yeah.
I think it would have not been even 60 days for you before you started, right? And we were
Correct.
able to
Correct.
do it.
Yeah.
I
It's
think I
just
do
that
40
1
days.
month. Yeah.
1 month.
40 days. That's it. Yeah.
40 days to be precise. 40 days and your EMI is 25% reduced. Wow.
Correct. Correct. Yes.
And any other thing that comes to your mind, maybe related to mindset, what you have learned being part of the community, या community में रहते हुए कुछ mindset related points आपने सीखे, anything in the last 1 month?
Yeah, I think it is very important for us to have that mindset that we are able to attract money and having that positive affirmations, taking off all the negative influences or negative words that we have spoken over ourselves or over our future or over our family or over the investments that we have, and to believe that there are people who can give you right guidance. And the main thing is right guidance at the right time, because if you keep on postponing, keep on delaying and saying, "Baat mein dekhte hain," or after some time, it keeps on draining our energy, draining our money. So to take the right guidance at the right time will make all the difference.
Right. So everybody who will be watching this, आप ध्यान रखिए एक बात, जैसे एग्जांपल जो भी परसेंटेज आपकी सैलरी का ईएमआई में जाता है आज, जस्ट आई विल सजेस्ट कि पेन और पेपर लीजिए एंड राइट इट डाउन. जस्ट सिंपल एक्सरसाइज. 25% अगर उसका आज से कम हो जाता है या अगले महीने से कम हो जाता है, और एज कम्पेयर कि वो साल भर बाद या 5 साल बाद कम होता है, तो कितना बड़ा डिफरेंस होगा. एंड ये पैसा इन्वेस्ट होके कितना बड़ा आपके लिए क्रिएट कर सकता है. थोड़ा बेसिक आई थिंक कंपाउंडिंग सबको पता होगा. यू कैन चेक इट योरसेल्फ, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू आर लूजिंग अ लॉट ऑफ लैक्स ऑफ रुपीज एवरी ईयर जस्ट बिकॉज हम उस प्रॉब्लम को सही नहीं कर रहे हैं. And I got your point. So, any other thing that you would suggest to people जो आज stuck हैं इस problem में, and शायद वो hesitate करते हैं because पता नहीं, उनको लगता है होगा नहीं होगा, and there are various other issues जो लोगों की life में रहते हैं, but and that is the reason they don't take steps. So, would you like to share anything on that?
Yeah. So now that EMI you have gone into, the only way is how do we come out of it well. So we don't have to be trapped under that burden. There are solutions. There are simple solutions, I would say, that are doable and practical. And that's what I experienced, and would also share with all of you that it is a good example, or it is a good way to go forward. And once we feel that there's a percentage reduction, be it whatever percent, but it actually brings down that stress and it brings down that thing of I need to work more, I need to get more income. It was just working around the income and all that we had. So that was also an important thing, not just to get more income and then sort out the EMIs. But with the available resources, with the whatever is there, and how to restructure things, and how that can help us to move forward. Yeah.
Beautiful point that you have shared about income increase. Maximum लोग वही
Hmm.
सोचते हैं कि लेट्स इंक्रीज इनकम, हम इनकम इंक्रीज करते जाते हैं एंड देन शायद अपने आप प्रॉब्लम रिजॉल्व हो जाएगी, बट वो होती नहीं है, क्योंकि स्ट्रक्चर ही जब बिगड़ा हुआ है तो वो
Correct.
जो आज एग्जांपल 1 लाख की इनकम में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है वही 2 लाख में भी
Hmm.
होगी, वही 1.5 लाख में भी होगी, बट
Yes.
लगता सबको ऐसा ही है कि वो सही हो जाएगा जस्ट बिकॉज इनकम इंक्रीज हो जाएगा।
Hmm.
आई थिंक दैट्स अ ब्रिलियंट पॉइंट जो बहुत सारे लोगों की लाइफ में होता है। एंड
Yes.
एक चीज जो आपने ड्यूरिंग दिस सेशन यू टोल्ड इज अबाउट द डॉक्टर वाला पार्ट, तो आई
Hmm.
थिंक वो माइंडसेट भी आपको इसलिए आता है बिकॉज समवेयर और द अदर यू रिलेटेड टू मेडिकल फील्ड, तो आप समझ पाते हो कि डॉक्टर की इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है लाइफ में, राइट?
Correct. Yes. Yes.
सो वुड यू लाइक टू
Yeah.
शेयर समथिंग
So
ऑन दैट?
that's right. So, in the Bible, they say the sick needs a doctor, or sick needs a physician. So, it's not that because we are EMI, we are somewhere downward or backward. It's just that the situation of life has brought us into a situation where our salary seems to be stuck, or the our freedom of expenditure is like stuck. So, how we can optimize it well, so that we can be more free with our usage of our money. And so having someone who can lead us or guide us step by step, and what is that person, whom should we approach, or how should we go about it to reduce that loan burden, that brings actually a great change. And there is someone who's always able to handhold you step by step, and you don't feel like you're alone, or it's just a suggestion online. No, but it is actually someone who's monitoring you, tracking and following up with you, so that you have something like an accountability. Like after it is done, it is also followed up through that it is done, and how do we go forward with our next step of investing? Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Justin, for sharing that. And
Yeah.
for everybody who will be watching this video, इस वीडियो के नीचे हम एक फॉर्म देने वाले हैं, एक कमेंट में भी हम डाल देंगे, सो दैट पिन कमेंट में, फर्स्ट कमेंट में, सो दैट यू कैन फिल दिस फॉर्म एंड अंडरस्टैंड आपकी लाइफ से वो ईएमआईज इश्यूज जो आज आप प्रॉब्लम में हो वो बाहर निकल सकते हो। इंश्योरेंस, टैक्स प्लानिंग, इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, मल्टीपल सोर्स ऑफ इनकम, ये सारी चीजें आपकी लाइफ में हो सकती हैं। द ओनली डिफरेंस बिटवीन पीपल जो आज इससे बाहर आएंगे और जो नहीं आएंगे इज द एक्शन। कौन एक्ट करने के लिए रेडी है इन स्पाइट ऑफ द फियर्स? फियर्स होंगे आपकी लाइफ में, आई अंडरस्टैंड दैट, सबकी लाइफ में होते हैं कोई भी नया स्टेप लेने के पहले, पर जब तक हम वो एक्शन नहीं लेंगे तब तक हम उस प्रॉब्लम से बाहर नहीं आ पाएंगे। लाइक Justin did so many of it. You can watch so many of interviews that we have already done, and you will understand that it is possible. So before we end, I would love
Yes.
to say to you, to Justin, to repeat that line: "If I can do it, so can you."
Yes. So if I can do it, so can you. Just take your first step. Your future self will thank you.
Thank you so much, Justin, for being here, sharing with us. And I would love to see you in our retreat that we're doing next month. Thank you so much.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.